done. Showing us how it's done.
Nangunguna, nakadilaw.
The Philippines finest
Ariana nangunguna.
representing the best women's Philippine mountain biking racing towards beginning to teach the girls how it's done. Now I'd like to make an announcement for the women lead category. Please proceed to the transponder tent and get your transponders right now. Open elite, meaning kahit sino na pwedeng sumali. Kahit ikaw ay ang ating national team champion, ikaw ay junior national team member, ikaw ay nananalo sa mga karera ng ibang mga larangan ng pagmamountain bike or bike. You enjoy open
Pati niya rin nasa likod mo.
Hindi, kalaban niya. Remix ko yan. Oh, yeah.
Wala.
Alright, you see the finesse of the curves, so they're very careful on the they're very careful on the
Ito
curves.
yung pangatlo.
But you see, when you get a lot of experience, you saw
Pangapat si...
right at the front how it's actually being done by the fastest. At least 12 laps on layo ng kanilang tatakbo. 12 kilometers of racing. And we got friends who are actually here to watch and cheer for them. The girls bringing us a lot of wonderful gold medals. It's so strange to see that a lot of our women are the ones that bring a lot of gold from the Southeast Asian Games towards the Olympics.
Wala siya talagang patawad.
I believe the Southeast Asian Games have the high trialist champion for the women's gold bike as well. We have the Filipina giving us glory. I think that the women of the Philippines, and that's why it's just great to see a lot of our women going outdoors, getting themselves to train, and bringing themselves together to be able to bring gold for the Philippines
Kita mo naman yung
every
bangkingan
year.
dyan.
And Ariana seems to have already secured her breakaway. So far, it's beginning to also increase at the moment. And all our ladies are fighting for second place right now.
Ating nakahabol sa mixed trail.
Breakaway.
Increased even more. As Ariana is filling up how this mountain bike thing. She makes it look so easy. But the gap is still rising down towards
Sabi, dinapaan talaga na eh.
Alright. Ladies power once again.
Ilang laps lang?
Exercise right before us. There you go, Pinay power in the zone.
Ito yung ating.
The last 9 laps to go.
Ang layo na.
Walang kahirap. Makes it look so easy. Go ahead and ride the bike. Amazing.
Ito yung dalawa nakahabol kay Ariana. Ito rin dalawa rin. Pangatlo natin to.
Second and third.
8 nakakapulong.
Sa lahat ng hindi nakakaalam, ang ating West Elite ang pinakamahusay na mountain bikers dito sa ating bansa. Some of them are actually pro riders who race in other countries already, and they are some of our fastest men riders, and you will be able to watch them today.
Mahabol niya na yung last.
Nahabol na uli. Ito yung nandito yung pangapat natin.
There's lots of pain at the
Alam na alam kung paano
moment.
pumamping eh.
Ngunit, some kind of reward that comes along with it, the adrenaline rush. The whole etap. We have one that actually fell today. I think she's okay. We are shake up. One ride in front. Seem to have once again, let's not forget, it is a hot day, so don't forget to hydrate. Get yourself a nice sip of your bottle. Get yourself a nice swing. Refresh yourself. And it is hot. And it is quick as well. Rider 209.
Okay, yung dito, naghabol sa kanya. Nakalabas lang doon, kakababa lang. Dito siya, nandito.
Yeah. Grabe, lakas.
Again, all your friends who made the coffee at the cafe sa garahe. Wow,
Ano?
such a delicious coffee. Thank you so much for bringing us delicious food.
Kahit ahon
No,
na.
no, no. We're already halfway through. Men's Elite, last call. Men's Elite, please proceed at the transponder tent. Get yourselves hooked up and make sure you're ready to race in a very short while. This is the Bautista Cup here in Antipolo City. We hope you guys are enjoying the show. We're about to race the country's finest mountain bike racers, and we hope that you're having a grand time with us. It is KRB 81 here at the KRB Motocross Speedway. It is October 20. More riders coming through. Adele Sandrijas also joined us all the way from Upang, Antipolo City. Thank you for joining us from Antipolo City.
Yan na.
Adele Pia Sendey from Maya Alta, Antipolo City,
Temex Trail.
joining us today as well.
Tatlo pala. Ito yung pangalawa.
Also crossing the line once again, Marie Bona Coliao is also crossing the line. Rider joining us this afternoon, Rider 209.
Ito yung pangapat.
Rider 51, Zara Makadalangga. And Rider 190,
Dito mo naman yung... Wala.
Awan Anjoy. Anjoy Pawar. Women really keep on going. Another loop for Adele Pia Sandijas.
Ah,
Ito yung pangatlo. Pangalawa natin to ngayon. Number 21. Ariana.
Zara Makalanda. Lamika Flores.
Ang ating pangalawa.
Pangatlo natin, nandito pa. Ay, ayan, layo talaga ng asawa.
Almost
Isa
there.
siyang nag-ano eh.
Hindi siya namamatay.
Mamatay
Yes,
na sobrang ulan.
Lamika Flores. Thank you so much for joining us.
Go, go.
Also racer number 51.
Grabe, ang dami.
Zara Makalanda. And then of course Ariana almost there. Last two laps.
Oo, natin sa pangalawa, oh. Pangatlo. Saka lang talaga yan, pangatlo. At sinang
They do have a turbo with rice and believing with rice. All for you guys to try out and enjoy. All out, you can get a nice, wonderful view of the racing going on and have a lot of other aspects. So, if you guys haven't had your lunch, come on down to Cafe Sagarahe and get yourselves a nice meal. Enjoy the day with us for another set of racing coming up for the finest mountain bike racers in the country for our men's elite.
kalaban, last tulap tayo. Pagkatapos ito, meron pang isa.
Right, for Ariana is almost ready to finish the suffering already. We're almost done. For our last and final lap, we're almost there. For Ariana. Let's still have to put a few more laps, but that is what racing is all about. We're probably the top 5 female finishers. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth place finish.
Pangalawa.
Last lap na niya yan, ha?
Done. Ladies are almost done. Here we go. I believe we're about to wave the checkered flag in a very short while.
Dito na. Ay, nananalo.